Ladies, we're going home. What do you think so far?
It's been incredible. I wish we could stay much, much longer. Maybe we should turn this boat around.
Turn it around. Let's
Yeah?
see. It's been an amazing journey.
Yeah, we're just gonna live here now.
Yeah? Chill out with the elephants and
Oh yeah. Yeah, we still have to
tigers.
spot some more
I love all the
elephants, some
cows.
leopards. We haven't seen those yet.
Mhm.
What about you, Brum? How is it for you?
Well, we got to bring you girls back in January
Yeah,
when it's all
here.
frozen in Chicago.
Yo, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Perfect time to
please.
leave.
Yeah. Oh, I got the song for you. Take me back to Chicago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's another group coming this way.
Oh. Make some more friends.
Yeah, totally. AT got lucky. He got a power nap
Good.
while we were downloading stuff.
It looks so nice. You were sleeping like such a gentleman too.
Really?
Yeah, you slept like this.
Yeah, with your hands held together. Proper. She got it. She got the proof.
Precious.
She got the footage.
Oh no.
It was too good not to.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to.
He was in Top Gun mode.
The birds. Oh, so many birds.
Hasina, too bad you're not here with us. Look, you're missing out. You're missing out all the fun.
Hasina, we miss you.
Yeah. We got one last shoot. And then we're ready to rock and roll and heading home. Yep.
It's a long journey.
Long
home.
journey home.
Heading home back to Hasina.
Yes. Hear the birds.
That one just bouncing over there.
See, the lotus are going to open up again very soon.
Yeah, they were all open when we were out this morning. It was beautiful. Bright pink.
Mm-hmm.